Hello crypto investors, today I will review one of the safest crypto wallets, the Ledger, and I'm going to do it just in 2 minutes. The first important thing to note is that the Ledger is a hardware wallet, and that is a very secure method to keep your coins safe because it is offline and no one else except you has access to it. The most popular one so far was the Nano S, and now we have the new Ledger Nano X. When it comes to security, both are safe. They have a PIN code and they have a 24 words recovery phrase as a backup. Now, what are some of the major differences? The newer Nano X has Bluetooth compatibility with the Ledger Live Mobile. It has a bigger screen and its battery can last up to 8 hours in standby mode. However, the size is slightly larger and it's slightly heavier than the Nano X. But the main reason why I chose the new Nano X, which is a bit more expensive, is because it allows up to 100 apps installed on the device, and the Nano S only allows up to 20. And for iPhone users, you can manage your assets with the Ledger app using your iPhone, while the Ledger Nano S only works with an Android app. So if you're using Android and holding a few different coins, then the Ledger Nano S might be suitable for you and you can select the cheaper version. Lastly, once you purchase either of the two, you will receive consecutive emails with instructional videos on how to use it that will assist you in getting started, and in addition, they have good support that will answer your questions and emails.